Hello everyone, hope you and your family are safe and healthy. Welcome to Cloud Tech Talk Show. Today we will discuss the new Azure Migrate and its features like integrated experience. Session will be covered in two phases. One is theory part and second is Azure Portal walkthrough. So, request you to watch this video till end to understand and learn complete features and user interface of Azure Migrate. Alright, let's start the theory part. Moving on-premises apps and data to the cloud is a key step in our customers' migration journey, and Microsoft committed to helping simplify that process. Earlier this year, Microsoft invited customers to participate in the preview of multiple new migration capabilities. Today, I am excited to explore the latest evolution of Azure Migrate, which provides a streamlined, comprehensive portfolio of Microsoft and partner tools to meet migration needs, all in one place. With the general availability of Azure Migrate, including the new integrated partner experience, server assessment, server migration, database assessment, and database migration capabilities, which makes the cloud journey even easier for customers. Azure Migrate acts as a central hub for all migration needs and tools from infrastructure to applications to data. As we all know, using Azure Migrate: 1. Discover, assess and migrate your on-premises VMware and Hyper-V virtual machines or physical servers to Azure. 2. Assess and migrate your on-premises databases to Azure SQL Database Managed Instance or Azure SQL Database. 3. Assess and migrate web apps, migrate data and assess virtual desktop infrastructure (VDI). Let's explore new features that are included. Guided experience for the most common migration scenarios such as server and database migration, data movement to Azure with Data Box, and migration of applications to Azure App Service. Feature-based grouping and choice of Microsoft and partner tools for the typical phases of the migration process: discovery, assessment, and migration. An integrated experience that ensures continuity and gives you a consistent view of your data center assets using Carbonite, Cloudamize, Corent, Device42, Turbonomic, and Unify Cloud are already integrated with Azure Migrate, which is really awesome for most of the partners who use third-party assessment and migration tools. Now let's see Azure Migrate in Azure Portal.
Let's quickly explore Azure Migrate and its features now. So I've logged on to the portal. You can use the link portal.azure.com, and so this is a pretty new subscription. So I'll just go ahead and click on Azure Migrate. So if you look at Azure Migrate, so it's pretty new. There is nothing configured. So let's see what are the various features Microsoft Azure Migrate is providing. So if you look at the it's giving an overview here, and it's also giving migration goals like the servers, databases, VDIs, web apps, data box. So we will explore each and every feature now. If I go ahead and click on servers here, so there is nothing here. So the first thing is we should go ahead and create a new project. So let's click on create new project. It will ask what subscription you want to use, and you have an existing resource group or not. If you don't have, just click on create new, and just type whatever the name you want here. It's a demo, so I just gave Azure Migrate demo. And what is the project name? So it's gonna be migration demo, I guess. Okay, so I just gave a migration demo the migration project name, and the location, it depends upon where is your customer. Okay, it is not where you are. It can be United States or UK or India. I'll just click on create. Hardly it will take a couple of minutes to create the resource group and and the project. So once that's finished, we will also see, so deployment progress. See, deployment is completed. So if I look at the deployment, so it just created the migration demo of the project, and so it's created the assessment server, discovery and migration server. So now if we go back to the Azure Migrate now, explore more. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, I click on servers. Yeah, ours is a migration demo. Click on OK. Okay, now you see we got assessment tools, migration tools, a couple of new options here now. Right, so there are like the whole Azure Migrate will happen in two phases. One is the server assessment, the other one is the server migration. Okay, so let me.
In our next video tutorial, you will learn how to perform assessment and migration using Azure Migrate and explore other tools deep dive. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Have a great day.